My very best friend Micah is currently in a parade. He's about to sing. He needs tea. He needs my help. And my help I shall bring him. I'm making him some English tea time. It should be lovely. Honey. A little bit of honey. There we go. I'll find him. Here we go. I think he's up ahead. Ow! First burn. First burn. Tea is still good. It is at max capacity. Stay away from me, tiny motorbike fiends. Ow. It burned me. Ow. It burned me again. I've already got a steam burn there. Go away, light hellions. Entschuldigung. Where's the Sagu float? Tea is still good. Big drop. Tea is still good. Pardon me. No. I'm losing tea. Wait a minute. It's the fire truck. Oh no. I already passed him. Gotta keep it covered. Preserve the heat. Emergency call. Call ability. Micah. What is your location? I have cooling tea! Rapidly cooling tea! What is your location? You're on Main Street. Where? We have 30% hot tea left. Hang up, Micah. I can't do it on my own. I'm back at the Motor Hellions. I don't like these guys. Aha! I found them. This must be carefully executed. Take it! It's still warm! Mission accomplished!